Hello, is your Android phone cluttered with apps you never use? System apps eating up storage and slowing down your device? Today, I'll show you how to safely remove any bloatware from your Android phone using ADB commands. No root required. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a cleaner, faster phone with only the apps you actually want. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss tech tutorials like this. Let's dive in. Before we start, here's what you'll need. First, your Android phone with USB debugging enabled. I'll show you how to do this in a moment. Second, a Windows PC or laptop. Third, a USB cable to connect your phone. And fourth, about 10 minutes of your time. Don't worry if this sounds technical. I'll walk you through every single step. Let's begin with enabling developer options. Step 1. Enable developer options and USB debugging. This might sound intimidating, but it's actually super easy. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Now, find the option that says Software Information or OS version or build number. It varies by manufacturer. I'm using Samsung S10 Plus. Here's the fun part. Tap it 7 times rapidly. You'll see a countdown message saying you are now 3 steps away from being a developer. Keep tapping. Once you see you are now a developer, you're done with this part. Now, go back to your main settings menu. Look for System or Additional Settings, then find Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, scroll down until you see USB debugging. Toggle it on. You'll get a warning message. This is normal. Just tap OK to confirm. Great! Your phone is now ready to communicate with your computer. Step 2. Download and set up ADB Platform Tools. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge. It's Google's official tool that lets your computer talk to your Android device. Open your web browser and search for Android Platform Tools. Click the first result from developer.android.com. This is Google's official website. Scroll down and click Download SDK Platform Tools for Windows. The download should start automatically. It's about 10 megabytes. So it won't take long. Once downloaded, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click it and select Extract All. Choose a location that's easy to remember. I recommend extracting it directly to your C drive or desktop, but for me I'm going to stay in Downloads. Open the extracted folder called Platform Tools. This folder contains all the ADB files we need. Keep this folder open. We'll come back to it in a moment. Step 3. Connect your phone to your computer. Take your USB cable and connect your phone to your PC. Make sure you're using a good quality cable that supports data transfer, not just charging. On your phone, you'll see a notification about USB connection. Pull down your notification shade and tap where it says Charging this device via USB or USB for file transfer. Select either File Transfer or Transfer Files mode. Some phones call this MTP or Android Auto. Now, here's a quick trick to open the command prompt in the right location. Go back to your Platform Tools folder on your PC. Click once in the address bar at the top where it shows the folder path. Type CMD and press Enter. This opens command prompt directly in the Platform Tools folder, which saves us from typing long file paths. Step 4. Verify the ADB connection. In the command prompt window, type this command exactly as you see it, ADB devices. Then press Enter. Look at your phone. You should see a pop-up asking Allow USB debugging? This is Android asking if you trust this computer. Make sure to check the box that says Always Allow from this computer, then tap Allow. Back in the command prompt, you should now see a line that shows your device's serial number followed by the word device. If you see this, congratulations! Your phone and computer are now connected. If you don't see your device listed, pause the video and check that USB debugging is enabled and you selected the correct USB mode. Step 5. List all installed packages. Before we remove any apps, let's see what's actually installed on your phone. Type this command, ADB shell. Press enter. Your command prompt should now show a $sign or £sign. This means you're now inside your phone's system. Now type pm list packages. Press enter again. Whoa! You'll see a huge list of package names scrolling by. These are all the apps on your phone, including system apps you didn't even know existed. Each line shows a package name like com.android.chrome or com.google.android.apps.maps. These are the technical names apps use in Android system. Don't worry, you can get package name for any app you want to remove inside here. Here's a pro tip for finding an app's package name quickly. On your phone, long press the icon of the app you want to remove. Tap App Info. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu and select App Details or Advanced. There it is, the package name. For example, Chrome's package name is com.android.chrome. Here's something important. Package names are case sensitive. If you see uppercase letters, you must type them exactly as shown. Most package names are lowercase, but always double check. Here we have all package name, and the extension we can use the one we have here. I recommend keeping a notepad open to write down the package names of apps you want to remove. Step 6. Uninstall system apps safely. Now for the main event, removing those unwanted apps. The basic command structure is pm uninstall user 0, package name. Let me break this down. pm stands for package manager. Uninstall tells it what to do. User 0 means remove it for the main user, that's you. This doesn't actually delete the app from the system partition, it just hides it from your user profile. That means you can always reinstall it later. Let's try an example. I'm going to remove Microsoft Teams. pm uninstall user 0 com.microsoft.teams. Press enter. If you see success, the app has been removed. Look at your phone, the Microsoft Teams app icon should be gone from your app drawer. Let me show you a few more examples. To remove Google Chrome, pm uninstall user 0 com.android.chrome. Each time you run the command, check your phone to confirm the app disappeared. Before you go uninstalling everything, let me give you some critical warnings. Warning number 1. Do not remove these apps unless you know what you're doing. com.android.systemY. Your entire interface will break. com.android.phone. You won't be able to make calls. com.android.settings. You'll lose access to settings. Any app with framework in the name. Warning number 2. Always research before removing an app. Search online for "Can I safely remove package name" to see if others have experienced issues. Warning number 3. If you're unsure about an app, don't remove it. It's better to leave a harmless app installed than to break an important system function. The good news? If you accidentally remove something important, I'll show you how to get it back. Step 7. Reinstall apps if needed. Made a mistake? No problem. There are 2 ways to restore an app. Method 1. If it's available on the Google Play Store, simply open the Play Store, search for the app, and tap Install. It will be restored with all its original functionality. Method 2. If the app isn't on the Play Store or you want to restore it through ADB, use this command, ADB shell cmd package install existing, package name. For example, ADB shell cmd package install existing com.android.chrome. This reinstalls the app from the system partition back to your user profile. And that's it. You've just decluttered your Android phone and removed all that annoying bloatware. Your phone should feel snappier, you've freed up storage space, and you're only seeing the apps you actually care about. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials every week. Drop a comment below and let me know which apps you removed from your phone. Got questions? Leave them in the comments section. I read every single one and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.